Hey there, I want to talk to you about the Nurture Retreat. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick from hookingrugs.com, and on Saturday, February 28th, we have a very special event. It's called the Nurture Retreat because I believe nurturing and rug hooking, they're so synonymous. Yeah. And I've invited my friend and caregiver, Stephanie Allen, who I've worked with for, so many years.
Long time.
Over 20, 25 years, I don't know. And you've helped me in all kinds of ways. So I want you to talk about what nurturing means to you and what you're going to bring to the retreat on that Saturday.
Yeah, I'm talking about nurturing because it's hard to nurture ourselves. It's so easy to nurture somebody else or we know what somebody else needs and we can give it to them, but do we know what we need?
Yeah.
Do we know, and not only do we know what we need, can we allow ourselves to get it met? So really looking at receiving, being able to look at what does our mind need? What does our soul need? What is our physical needs?
Right.
So we're going to
go mind, body, spirit is what you're
spirit.
thinking about. Yeah, you've been a big proponent of the why, which is a mind, body, spirit, right? Definitely. We're talking to you or we're talking to each other. So Stephanie's going to bring her creativity, which is about mind, body, and spirit. And she's going to bring that to that workshop. I'm going to be teaching The Woman in the Moon, but I'm also going to I think the retreat is one of the places where I'm able to get really personal. We're usually a kind of an intimate group and we really talk, right? So I'm going to be bringing my thoughts about nurturing and self-care and how I do it to that retreat. I want to let you know that February 20th is the last day for the special price, and shortly after that, we'll be closing down the opportunity to join the retreat on February 28th. So get registered at hookingrugs.com. Steph, do you have anything else you want to say?
Yeah, I think, giving yourself permission, like this is a time for you, a time to really restore or restore yourself. So it's a good thing because the more you can fill up your tank and with love and harmony and beauty, the more you'll be able to give from a place of soul, of depth rather than depletion.
Yeah,
so
I'm looking forward to being with you for the whole day. See ya. Thanks. hookingrugs.com. That's where you'll find us.